Do you want to make your own minced garlic at home, aka jarlic? Watch this. Food processor. This one is a Ninja. Get your garlic. And then you mince it. Get the consistency you want. This, for me, is good minced garlic. That's good minced pieces. Now you can put that in an ice cube mold, or as in this case, this is a meatball mold. And you can see I have garlic paste and I have minced garlic. Now you freeze these molds, store them in your freezer, and you now have garlic for as long as they stay frozen. There you go. That's how you can make your own minced and paste garlic at home. Fall for more, y'all. Nothing added, just delicious garlic.